Hi everyone! So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily poke someone on Facebook. So first, let's head over to the Facebook app and in the search bar, just type pokes. Then press on search button. Just click on pokes. And from here, you can see the list of your friends that you can poke, or you can just search for a specific someone and just press poke. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that this helped you on how you can easily poke someone on Facebook. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will see you again on the next one. Bye!